Approved as requested and contact Nose Tower 134.42. Have a great day.
3442, take care, nice to see you. Final United 2022, passing 3 for 7,000.
United 2022, no approach, welcome, runway 1 center, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000, United 2022.
Meter 4364, reduce speed to 190.
190, airport.
Airport 364, thank you. Turn left heading 040, clear visual approach runway 1 center, maintain 170 knots or greater until time off final.
040, airport, visual runway 1 center and 1702, time off final. Airport 364.
Meter 4364, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles, the Airbus A320 lands runway 1 right will be off the right side.
2022 has a field site.
Upon 2, a heavy 5 miles from skins, maintain 2,300, subscribers on low ballast, clear ballast, runway 1 center.
Stomach speed 4325,
Open 300, subscribers on low ballast, clear ballast, 1 center. Upon 2, heavy, clear ballast, 1 center. United 2022, I think I stepped on you. Said you have 1 center in sight?
Affirmative, we have out on the pond also for United 2022.
United 2022, follow the heavy, clear for the visual post, runway 1 center, caution late turbulence.
Follow the heavy, cleared visual 1 center, United 2022.
Delta Commuter 4325, 6,000.
Commuter 4325, going to maintain 4,000.
4,000, Commuter 4325.
Too heavy, reduce speed to 170 and contact tower 13442.
13442,
Atomic approach, afternoon break here 3555, 6,000.
Break here 3555, Atomic approach, roger, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000, break here 3555.
Commuter 4325, turn to left heading to 040, intercept the localizer, I'll have lower in just a moment.
040, intercept the localizer, Commuter 4325.
Break here 3555, turn left 0.
Approach Corporal 443, leave on board with the localizer for runway 1 center.
Cover 443, Atomic approach, roger, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000, Corporal 443.